Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have two really cool packages here from Humixx. So let's go ahead, crack these open and see what we've got inside. So we'll start here with this one. As you guys can see here, it doesn't say much about it, just says transparent and new. So let's see what we've got. So we'll open it from the top and there it is. Nothing else in the box, so we can set that off to the side. And there we go. We've got the typical Humixx packaging. I really do like it. It feels very premium, having these two slots here. And here is their ultra clear transparent case. This is amazingly clear. There is 0% yellowing on this. I am obviously rating my yellowness of these cases on a scale of 0 to 100. 100 is the worst. This is 0% yellow. This is the best by far that we have seen for the iPhone 14 so far. Of course, we've got more cases to review, but wow, Humixx, very good job. And what did it say on this box? It says the production date was 8/3, so August 3rd. I don't know if that's when they made the box or when they made the case, but if this has been already over a month here and 0% yellowing, that is great. Here is the installation toolkits. Looks like we've got two lens protectors, and we also have a couple of screen protectors, so that's very nice. Let's go ahead, take a quick look. Actually, let's just look at one of these because we don't have the Pro Max in studio. I thought they were sending Pros, but here it is. That's what that looks like. Let me grab the Pro Max here. And that is kind of what it would look like on the phone. Obviously, I'm not going to waste this on a dummy unit, but you guys get the idea. Looks like it will fit perfectly, and it should be compatible with cases without an issue. So we can set that up here to the side. But realistically, let's take a look at this case. But before we do, let's just talk about the installation toolkit real quick. Looks like it comes with wet wipes here, microfiber, which is very soft, and a dust absorber. So those are all very important when you are installing a screen protector. So it's nice that they give you all of those. And of course, the lens protectors, can't forget about those. Personally, I don't like to use these. I'm not too worried about my camera lens, but if you are, you can put these on. It's not gonna hurt your camera quality too much, but it will make it a little bit less than if you didn't have it. Here is the case itself. Like I said, super clear. You can almost see the blue hue around the sides. That means it's fresh. So let's go ahead, stick it on and see what it looks like on the iPhone 14 Pro Max here. And there we go. Got it fully installed. Look at how good that looks right there. Resivity on the camera is perfect. No issues there. Let's check the button feel. Feels very good. And I like that they have super texturized this button. So super easy to find. Not a lot of case manufacturers do that. Sides look great. Yeah, this is a definite win, guys. I'm really liking this case here. So clear. And it comes with pretty much everything. With the lens protector, the screen protector, and the case. I mean, for this price, it's hard to beat. So you guys got to check this one out for sure. Let's open up the next case and see what else they've sent us. All right, guys, so let's crack this one open. This one says Petunia, which is strange. I don't know what that means, but we're about to find out together here. Opening from the top, and I know they like to do it upside down. So yep, there it is. I don't know why it says Petunia, but it does say that right there. This looks almost like the same thing. Oh, no, it looks a little bit different. Let's see here. Here is the case. Looks like we've got the same two camera protectors as well as two screen protectors. And lastly, we have two installation toolkits for those protectors. And here is the case. Oh, look at that. Okay. I am seeing why they call it Petunia. It's almost like a smoked out gray, but it came out a little bit like on the purplish hue. So this would look so good with the deep purple Pro Max. Again, I am intrigued as to why they sent out the Pro Max instead of the Pro, because I don't have that one live, but I will show you guys what it looks like with mine. First, we're gonna stick the dummy unit in just to show you guys what it looks like, kind of on a graphite color. There it is. Resivity, same as the other one. Button feel is the exact same as the other one with the nice texture as well. There it is. Yeah, I really like this one, guys. Let's go ahead and compare it real quick. So it's basically the same as the other one. If I take my deep purple iPhone here, just to kind of put it next to it, I obviously do not like the, if you watch my videos, you know I hate the Pro Max size. It's just way too big. It's disgusting to me. But check this out. This color looks really good with the deep purple. So if you do have the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max, check out this case in the Petunia color here. It looks really good and it contrasts really well with it. It just complements it, I guess I should say. Those are the two cases sent out from Humixx, so big shout out to them. They always have really good cases. If you guys have been following the channel, you guys know that we love reviewing their cases. All their cases have been fantastic and I love how clear they are. That is one thing that I can't stress enough. Other case manufacturers that we've reviewed on the channel, you guys have seen, it's a little dicey. Some of them are a little bit yellow on their clear cases. This one, pull it back into frame here. Super, super clear. no yellow, 0% yellow. That's the first 0% I think we've had all year. So shout out to Humixx. Very, very well done. Check them out, guys. Links to everything down below. If you liked the video, hit the big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.